Screens 1 second. How long is 1 second in a basketball game? 1:07 Alaska. Air 21 1:06. It's Air 21's basketball. 1 second to execute a play. You win or lose.
Gotta watch the back door here if you're Alaska.
Vladimir De Ocampo inbounding. Who's going to be the receiver? Gary David puts it up from... Oh! Oh my goodness! What a shot! We have talked about Willie Miller in this ballgame. We have talked about Gary David. The matchup here. End game heroics. Could have been Willie Miller. Could have been Gary David. If that was a three-pointer. You just get the basketball from the inbound and you put it up. You don't think anymore.
Well, Coach Bob Perasol looking at the referees to confirm.
And it's a three-pointer. It's a three-pointer. What a ball game.
Well,
what an end game here.
It's just a matter of putting the ball in the hands of your best player. And for Air 21, it's Gary David. All he needed was a quick opening. And he stayed with that shot, made that shot.
Gary David finishing this game with 18 points. And, of course, that last basket was the winning basket. Whoa, what a ball game here from way out. Gary David, no choice but to put it up. It just goes in. Air 21 having their way against the Alaska Aces. And, of course, the best player of the ball game. As we take a look, yes, just in the nick of time. This really went in. It's counted as a three-pointer, and that's the winning basket, Air 21 over Alaska. Let's turn you over right now to Marga.
Arwin, nahirapan kayo ng first half. Meron ba sinabi si Coach Bo kaya napalaki niyo yung advance na ganito?
Ayun nga, yung defense namin naging flat-footed na naman. Kaya ayun, nauna na naman kami. Kaya mabuti na lang, naka-recover kami ng second quarter.
Saka third straight win nyo na ito itong gabing ito. Tuloy-tuloy na ba?
Sana. Saka katulad namin, parang talagang Diyos ang nagpanalo. Talagang thank you sa kanya. Sana, yun nga, tuloy-tuloy ang blessing.
Thanks, Arwin. Now let's go back to Richard and Benji.
Well, big 25 points for Arwin Santos, but who came up as the hero of this ball game? Of course, it was Gary David, who made that winning basket and winning over Alaska Aces. Now, can you believe this? 3 wins in a row for Air 21 when they started off with 3 losses in a row. What could have been those words coming out from Mr. Bert Lina? Well, this game is over. Red Bull and Talking Text Up on Texters will meet next. On behalf of our director, Francis Opilio, my partner, Richard Del Rosario, thank you for watching. This is Benji Santiago. We'll see you at the ball game.